How to fix the DaVinci Resolve error GPU failed to perform image processing. Now it's really easy to fix, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now all you need to do is load up the DaVinci Resolve app and then click on DaVinci Resolve in the top left hand side and then just press Preferences. Now select Memory and GPU from the top left hand side. Now where it says GPU processing mode, go and uncheck this from auto. You also need to uncheck GPU selection as well. Now make sure you have your correct GPU selected from the list. And if this is currently set to CUDA, you can try changing it to OpenCL. Now if you already have this set to OpenCL, you can also try changing this to CUDA. So basically just do the opposite of whatever you have set here and then go and press save to save these changes. Now once you've done this, you'll need to close out of DaVinci Resolve and then you can try restarting the application and that should have solved any GPU errors.